Hi guys, Joe is now going to start the dryer with the bedding load we've just done in the mailer. It's been on Meal Mine 60. So we've got a single set of sheets, and also the other set is like a double set slash king size set, because what I mean by that is it's got double sheet and a king size duvet cover, and then 2 pillowcases. And there's also a tea towel in there.
And also the door handles broke.
Yeah,
And
unfortunately.
then we go to extra dry with a reduced styling and go. And away we go.
Okay, it's started with it's on 231, yeah. Took a reduced down.
Leave that open a bit.
Yeah, because it airs it out then, yeah. So the pump's on in the dryer at the moment. I guess it's like a pump. So it pulls it into a condenser box.
Pump's on.
Yup.
And that'll do.
Okay, bye guys.